Okay, let me tell you 5 features of Google Keyboard. What are they? Let's go. So the first trick I would like to tell you that is you can use your space bar to move your cursor wherever you want. Let me tell you what I want to say. Now see, my cursor is right here next to the your word, and if I just long press on the space bar and drag it, see, it is moving. You can see it is very helpful while editing your text, like such as I want to uh, remove the word me and add I. Moving forward to the second trick, it helps you to delete a specific text with a very simplistic way. How? Let me show you. Imagine I have to delete the last two words of this text. So what we normally do is just press the backspace button. No, we shouldn't. Rather than that, just tap and drag on that button. See, it is highlighting those words as I move my fingers on it. And as I remove my finger, it's vanished. It also shows the history of what you have deleted. So if you have accidentally deleted it, you can just bring it back. Simple as that. Okay. So let's move on to the third feature, which is creating your own dictionary in the Google Keyboard. Let me tell you how it works. Now see here, if I just tap TY, it shows me the whole. Thank you so much. And also, if you just say mail, see, it is recommending me my whole email address. It is nothing but specifying shortcuts for every big text. Okay, so let me tell you how you can enable this feature. Okay, so to enable this feature, just go to the setting, scroll down, you will see the point of dictionary, then select personal dictionary and select whatever language you want to use. Let's say English, and as you can see, I have already three shortcuts assigned. You can add it from here. Just write as you can see, I write have a nice day, and I'll specify the shortcut like NSD, nice day, and just tap this. Right, you can see it has added. So from now, whenever you type NSD, it will specify have a nice day message above you. So you can just one tap it and it will be displayed there. Simple as that. Let's move on to the fourth feature, which is live translation. Okay. So there is one prerequisite for this feature, that you need to have Google Translator app downloaded in your phone. Just see here, there is a logo of Google Translator. Tap on it. Then you have to select which is the input language and which is the output language. I have selected English as my input language and Marathi as my output language. You can select whatever language you want. There are, I guess, all languages on this planet Earth. Okay, so I'll just say, how are you? See, it is showing me tu kasa ahes. And this works with each and every language. You can just use Japanese language, Korean language, and whatever. And you can also use it as Marathi to English. Okay, let's move on to the last feature. So, whenever we have to type any symbols such as @ or percentage symbol, we have to go to this place and then we can see all these symbols. But rather than that, you can just go to settings, preferences, scroll down to the last, and you can see the feature of long press for symbols. Right? Now just take back. Now see, each and every letter has a symbol specified for it. Like if I just long press on Q, it will show me the percentage sign, or I can just long press on A, it will show @. This saves a lot of time. To be honest, I really like that feature. Okay, with that being said, we should conclude our video. But before that, I would like to give you one bonus tip if you are watching this video till now. Okay, young people might just love this feature. Just go to settings, go to themes, and you can literally choose any background or you can have theme for your keyboard, such as this one. And you can also import your own photos from this plus icon, like such as I have created my own theme of Eren Yeager from Attack on Titan. See, it looks pretty cool. I hope these features will help you to brag in front of your friends. Okay, with that being said, we should conclude our video. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.